Yep. 79 Elcamino. And it is in bad shape, boy. But you know, got a good deal on it. I'll get it together. I'll get you rolling. So y'all join with me on this journey, man. Boy, this thing here. Dang. It's alright. Somebody decided to paste some parts on that side and got a bunch in the trunk area here. Got all my chrome pieces though. It's alright, I'm gonna get this bad boy together. Paid $600 for it. You know, to some it might be a waste of money. Shit, if you're a hard worker, this ain't nothing, man. Get this thing going. But yeah, pretty much all this here gonna be trash, man. I'm cleaning all that out. Gonna get y'all a little before and after. 79 Elcamino. Mr. Mechanic gonna get this thing right. Y'all be blessed. Hey, whatever you enjoy in life, go after it and don't stop. Don't let nobody tell you can't do it. We gonna get this thing done. Peace.